Alright, here we go. Looking dog, the smart lock. It worked right after I got it. So if I go to my apps, that's it. Just to calibrate. Okay, I put brand new batteries in it. So let me figure out how to calibrate this. Calibrate the lock. Start calibration until it's locked. All right. Here we go. Door is locked. Now we unlock it. There you go. Yeah, again, nothing. So I don't know what the problem is. Yeah, I think it does unlock. Sure. Go back to the keychain. Yeah, so it unlocks, it just doesn't lock. Nope. That's it. Don't know what the problem is. It used to work flawlessly. Kinda. It disconnected once in a while, but yeah, so it's been 2.5 months or so. And maybe this is a bust. I took the lock off. I just wanted to see if this might help. Okay, that's great. Why isn't it doing anything now? I don't know. I don't know what it is. And this here turns really nice too.